Hello, YouTubers. How are you today? Today, guys, I'm making Ruby Lee's baked chicken, which is my Grandma Ruby Lee's baked chicken. Simple, easy, and delicious, guys. You're going to love this recipe. I don't care who you are. It's going to be simple and easy. I am going to see you guys in a minute. You just don't see my face at this time, but you will see it in a minute. I want to give the ingredients on the top of my video because I've noticed in the past with my other videos, you guys want to know what's in my food and then what did I do. All right, guys, I miss you guys. I hope you miss me. I hope you guys thumbs this video up, subscribe, and give me a what's up, Mama Ray Ray. All right, what I did here, guys, you can use any pepper you want, green, yellow, or red, or all three of them if you like. I cut up my onion, I have my butter, and these are my seasonings, which is called my love seasoning. I mixed everything in here, and these ingredients will be listed down below. It's just the norm. You know, your onion powder, garlic powder, and I have a few others in there. And yellow pepper, onions, and butter. All right, guys, I'm going to show you my chicken. I'm making chicken legs, and I have a few thighs, and I am going to have them in the same pan. So let's get right to it, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is my pan of chicken, and I have two of them. I only did two because I want them to breathe, okay? And another thing I left out, you're going to need a tablespoon of flour. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your love and you're going to spread it all over your chicken, just like this. This is not going to hurt it or anything. Okay, if you like, you can put you some olive oil, Crisco oil, butter on however you want your chicken to be. But just season it up really well, okay? All right, guys, next you're going to take 2 caps of olive oil. Just take the cap from the top, pour you 2 caps on to your chicken. All right, you want to just do something like this, okay? 2 caps should do it if you got this amount. If you got more, you may want to use more, but I'm not going to use any more than this, guys. Just like that. Back. Now, I took my yellow peppers and my onions, and I'm using it on there as though it was a bed. And we're going to just take that chicken that we seasoned up, guys. We're going to put it right into this pan just like this, okay? And when I finish putting it all on, I'll be right back. All right, guys, y'all see that? Do you see how beautiful that's looking? I'm going to use a little bit of butter. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm just going to drop the butter in along with my olive oil. And I'm going to take it and cut it in thin slices, which is very easy to do. A 2-year-old could do it if you let them. But we're going to just do it exactly like this. You can use the seasons that you desire on your chicken. You put them on there. But I will list every season that I did down below in the description box. This is how you should be looking with your chicken. Now, the last step, and I'm going to show you what to do. This is like maybe a tablespoon of flour. You want to season your flour with something. You can season your flour with the love that we're using for our chicken. But what I'm going to do is just sprinkle it down, just maybe just like that, with some Lori seasoning salt. You can put pepper, you can put onion powder, garlic powder. It's not going to hurt your chicken. But because I'm so beautifully seasoned up on my chicken already, and I have the love in the bottom of my pan, which is my onions and my yellow peppers, I'm fine. So what you want to do next is this. Just going to pour some water in here just like that, about that much. And guess what? I didn't measure the water, so I can't give you guys a measurement. You're going to have to learn to eyeball your food, okay? And what you want to do is just take this. It's like a slurry. It's what they call this in the old days. Where my Ruby say make a slurry. She would have said use warm water. I say whatever water you got, use it. And I'm going to take it And this is what's gonna thicken it up and make it like that gravy base with that butter and olive oil. This is going to be amazing, okay? So I'm gonna stir this up, make sure there's no lumps in it, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, now what we wanna do is we're gonna pour this in here like this. See how I'm doing it? I'm not pouring it directly on my chicken, guys. I'm putting it to the side. And you're going to be surprised of what you're going to get. I may have to add a little bit more. Now, I'm going to know of those who watch this video all the way because I'm going to tell you, I'm using 375 on my chicken, and I'm going to bake it for an hour and 45 minutes, and I'm going to check it. At that time, I'll know if it's done or if I need another 5 minutes. Everybody oven is different. Repeat, everybody oven is different. We're making Grandma Ruby Lee's baked chicken. I'm gonna cover this, guys, put it in the oven for an hour and 45 minutes, and I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna come back and let you guys see it. Everyone, wait for this delicious chicken. I'll be back. All right, guys, I came back because I think it's a lot of new people to my channel. You want to either use a roasting pan or you can use your pan, but you want to make sure you tighten up the foil real tight, okay? You can use your roaster pan also. All right, guys, this time I'll be back when it's done. My chicken cooked for an hour and 50 minutes. I love soft chicken. Do not throw this broth off of this. It did cook really well. It tastes delicious. Hope you guys follow my grandmother's recipe. Grandma Ruby's baked chicken is absolutely delicious. I'll fix a plate so you guys can see it, and I'll be right back. Grandma Ruby's baked chicken, guys. I made rice, broccoli, and Grandma Ruby's baked chicken. Hope you guys watched the full video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. Hype this video up, guys, because Mama Ray Ray haven't been in the kitchen lately. So I would like to come back to the kitchen. I'm getting myself together, guys. I'm in physical therapy, and I appreciate each and every person that's still believing in me, trusting in me, and praying for me. You guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.